Michael Shikha Niketan Higher Secondary Government Sponsored Co-ed English Medium School has taken an excellent initiative of teaching and make our students learn day-to-day lessons through audio and video in our YouTube channel. Teachers of all the subjects are working hard to enhance these online classes in the midst of this pandemic situation. It is a request to all the teachers, students and guardians to click the bell icon and subscribe our channel.
Hello students, class 8, nice to meet you. I will start resolvent factors, okay. So, here factor number 1, here p square plus 3p minus 18. How to solve? Here the factors of 18, so the factors 2 into 3 into 3. Now, here 2 into 3 gives 6 and this 3. With the help of 6 and 3, if we subtract, we have the coefficient of p 3. Now, we write p square plus 6 minus 3 into p minus 18. Okay. So, p square plus 6p minus 3p minus 18. Take common, p plus 6 minus 3 p plus 6. Okay. So, here p plus 6 and p plus 6 we arrange it and take common and the rest are p minus 3. So, the result is p plus 3 and into p minus 3. Clear? Now, the next sum is question number 2. The next sum is x square minus bx minus first bracket a plus 3b into a plus 2b. Here we observe that the coefficient of x b b. So, with the help of the two factors a plus 3b and a plus 2b, a plus 3b, a plus 2b, if we subtract from a plus 3b to a plus 2b, we have b. So, we must write x square minus a plus 3b minus a plus 2b minus a plus 3b into a plus 2b. Clear? Sorry, here it is after the bracket it's x. Now, open the bracket, we have a plus 3b into x minus and minus gives the result plus a plus 2b into x minus a plus 3b and a plus 2b. Clear? Now, if we take common from the first two, we have x minus a plus 3b, and if we take common from the next two, a plus 2b. So, it a plus 2b common. So, a plus 3b. The next step will be x minus a plus 3b and x plus a plus 2b. Clear? So, here if we open the bracket, here x minus a minus 3b, x plus a plus 2b, answer. Clear everybody? X minus a minus 3b into x plus a plus 2b is the final answer. Next sum. Question number 3. Question number 3, a plus b whole square minus 5b minus 6. Sorry, it will be plus 6. A plus b whole square minus 5 into a plus b plus 6. Let us take a plus b equal to p. So, the expression will be p square minus 5p plus 6. So, p square minus 3 plus 2 into p plus 6, because factor of 6 and 3 plus 2 equal to 5. So, it will be p square minus 3p minus 2p plus 6. Okay. From the first two, we take common p minus 3, and next from the next two, we take common p minus 3. So, it will be p minus 3. So, putting the value of p, we have p equal to a plus b, a plus b minus 2. This is the final result. Clear everybody? Next sum, question number 4. Question number 4, x square minus a plus 1 by a into x plus 1. Clear? Here x square minus x minus 1 by a into x plus 1 can be arranged a into 1 by a, because a cancel and gives the result 1. So, 1 will be arranged a into 1 by a. Now, take common x minus a, and then take common from the second part x minus a. So, it will be x minus a into x minus 1 by a. This is the answer. Clear? Next sum, question number 5. Question number 5, ax square plus a square plus 1 into x plus a. Okay. Ax square plus a square x plus x plus a. So, we take common from this ax, x plus a, and then x plus a. So, after common we have x plus 1. This is the answer. Okay. Next sum is very important sum. Question number 6. Question number 6, x plus 1 into x plus 5 into, x plus 9 x plus 5 whole square plus 63. This sum is very, very important. Here x plus 1 x plus 9 x plus 5 into x plus 5 plus 63. Now, we observe that if we multiply, gives the result x into 1 x, 9 into x, 9x. So, it gives 10x. Here x into x, x square, 5x and then 5x, 10x. This portion is same. So, you can write x square plus, after multiply, we can write that here x square plus 10x plus 25 plus 63. Clear? Here we see x square plus 10x is same. So, let us take x square plus 10x equal to p. So, it will be p plus 9 into p plus 25 plus 63. Multiply this, p square plus 9p plus 25p plus 25 into 9, 25 into 9 gives the result 225 and added 63, 8, 8, 2. So, it will be 288. This portion is simplified from this form, p square plus 34p plus 288. Now, after middle term break, we can solve this problem. Okay. Here 288 144. The factors are 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. With the help of the factors, find the coefficient of p, how it is. Okay. Now, here the factors of 288 will be 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Now, with the help of these factors, we have to make this value 34. So, here 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 16 and 3 into 2, 18, with the addition of 16 and 18, 34. Okay. Now, we may write that p square plus 16p plus 18p plus 288. So, p plus 16 plus 18, p plus 16. So, it gives p plus 16 into p plus 18. So, putting the value of p, we may write that x square plus 10x plus 16 and x square plus 10x plus 18. Now here 16 will break, 16 equal to 8 into 2 and 8 plus 2 equal to 10. So here x square plus 8 plus 2 into x plus 16 and then this portion cannot be split into two factors. So it may remain same. So x square plus 8x plus 2x plus 16 and this x square plus 10x plus 18. So if we take common x plus 8 plus 2 into x plus 8, x square plus 10x plus 18. So x plus 2 into x plus 8 into x square plus 10x plus 18. Answer. Clear? Now the next sum, question number 7. Question number 7, the sum is a square plus a square plus 1 minus 6 by a square. 6 by a square equal to 3 by a into 3 by a, and with the help of 2 by a. With the help of the two factors, we arrange 3 by a minus 2 by a, but it is not the value of 1. So, for adjust, I multiply a. So, here 6 by a equal to 3 by a into 2 by a. So, a square plus 3 by a into a minus 2 by a into a minus 3 by a into 2 by a. So, here from this portion we take common a. So, a plus 3 by a, and from this portion we take common 2 by a plus 3 by a. When you cover the bracket, here it is a minus sign. So, the sign will be plus. So, a plus 3 by a minus 2 by a. This is the answer. A plus 3 by a and a minus 2 by a. Clear? Now, the next sum, question number 9. Here, question number 8. Here, the sum is x to the power 4 minus 3x minus 2. So, it is x to the power 4 plus x square minus 3x minus 2. Plus x square and minus x square, they cancel and result 0. So, there is no x square term. Okay. So, x to the power 4 plus x square minus x square plus 3x plus 2. Here x to the power 4 plus x square minus x plus 1 into x plus 2. After middle term break, we arrange this. Now, with the help of the two factors, x plus 2 and x plus 1, we have to find the coefficient of x square, that means 1. X plus 2, x plus 1, if we subtract from x plus 2 to x plus 1, gives the result 1. So, we may write that x to the power 4 plus x plus 2 minus x plus 1 clear, x to the power 4 plus x plus 2 into x square minus x plus 1 into x square minus x plus 1 into x plus 2. So, we take common x square from the first two, x square plus x plus 2, and from the next part we take common x plus 1 and x plus 1. Clear? So, the final result will be x square plus x plus 2 and x square minus x minus 1. This is the final stage and this is the result. The required result is x square plus x plus 2 and x square minus x minus 1. The next sum you must have to solve it, x to the power 4 plus 3x plus 20. This sum is very, very important. On the next video, I will solve this sum. You must have to try to solve this problem. Clear?
Thanks for watching. Leave a like and comment. Subscribe. And do share the video among your friends.